Hello everyone, welcome to my English class. I am Dr. Ritu Sharma. Today in this class we will discuss the second chapter of BA second year, fourth semester, The Swan Song by Anton Chekhov. This is the chapter number 2 in the book Center Stage. Today we will try to understand the summary of the one act play The Swan Song. The Swan Song is written by Anton Chekhov. It is the story of an old comedian, Vasily Svetlovidov. He is the main character of the play. Nikita Ivanich is the second character to whom Svetlovidov talks in the whole play. The theme of the play is alienation and mental torment. Swan song means the last piece of work produced by an artist or the last performance by an actor, musicians, etc. The play Swan Song tells the story about the life of an old actor who, after 45 years on the stage, has been much loved by his audience. The last performance is held for his benefit and in his respect, but he gets heavily drunk due to the happiness. Nothing torments the mind more than alienation. Thus, alienation and mental torment have the relation of cause and effect. When he gets up after a couple of hours later, he finds that he has been left alone. He shouts for the theatre attendants, but they also have left. The only one there is Ivanich, the prompter. He spends the nights in the dressing room because he has no home to go to. He cannot accept all these things and disappointedly says, here is the quotation from the textbook. This is the speech of Svet Lovidov. He says, the people applaud me, they buy my photograph, but I am a stranger to them. Further, he continues his talks and says, this is also the quotation from the textbook. He says, they don't know me, I am as the dirt beneath their feet. Svet Lovidov had faced this alienation in his youth too. A very beautiful and young woman was attracted by his acting, but when he proposed to her for marriage, her first demand was give up the stage. At last, recalling the days of his youth, he enacts some of the roles he had performed. One after the other, he enacts lines from Hamlet, Othello, and King Lear. All these are the dramas of William Shakespeare with great force. He proves that whatever the age, an actor's talent never dies. Further, he says his talent can die only with his death. He says, this is also the quotation from the textbook, and the last and most important line that gives life to the whole play is, where there is art and genius, there can never be such things as old age or loneliness or sickness, and death itself is half. At last, Svetlovidov consoles himself, saying that art has the universal strength. Now, from the above summary, we can understand the play is tragic in nature. I hope this video will help you to understand the summary and the long question and also the theme, the story of the play, The Swan Song by Anton Chekhov. Thank you for watching video.